Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can find friends in Google Chat. It's pretty simple. So the only way to find friends in Google Chat is by using their email. So if you don't have your friend's email, you cannot find them. You cannot find somebody using their name in Google Chat. The email is the only way, and that's how you guys can do it. So let me show you. After you open Google Chat, there's going to be a search bar at the top. Just click on the search bar, and once you click on the search bar, just enter your friend's email. And after you enter your friend's email over here, if the email you entered is correct, the account should be displayed at the bottom, just like this. Once the account is displayed, just click on it and you can start chatting with your friends. And once you write a message to your friend, you don't have to search for them using their email every single time. The chat will appear on the home screen of Google Chat just like this. So you can just open Google Chat and enter the chat and talk with them. So that's how we guys can find friends in Google Chat using their email. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.